Hello, teammates. So I am doing my project on the cost of sprawl and adding the cost of sprawl to those who would be engaging in the sprawl type behavior. And so for the flowchart that I will be looking at and using for policy development, okay, there's my flowchart. Okay, so there is 8 steps, and I'll post that image on the thing as well so you can look at it. But there's 8 steps, and it starts with discovery of the problem and then investigation. So discovery of the problem, well, we are looking at the cause and effects of sprawl and who are engaging in these behaviors and investigating the damage of them. Now this process, and the reason that I've chosen this project is because this is kind of already happening underway anyway. I was participating in something called One Region Forward, which had a number of different community congresses. It was a movement that was, there is a funding grant that this organization called the UB Regional Institute got to be able to investigate the cost of sprawl and how to mitigate its effects in the area of Western New York. And so I'm going to be looking at a lot of their data and their work that they've been doing. And a big part about what they're doing is these things called community congresses, where they go out to the community and they're getting a lot of feedback and having a very interactive process. And really the biggest thing that is on my chart here again, that is doing the 3rd step, which says establish the mandate. Effectively what they're doing with all these community congresses is they're getting the community's permission to actually go into the community and have support for ordinances to be passed in the future. So not only are they finding out what the communities actually want to be in the ordinances, they're getting those same community members to feel like they are a part of this action, so they'll be able to buy into it, and another year or 2 years down the line, it will actually be feasible for governments, local governments, to be able to pass ordinances to be able to make a dent on the sprawl. Now, the tactic that I am going to use to curb this sprawl is a policy where the cost of the sprawl is added to those doing the sprawl type behaviors. So let's say you're going to build your house in a currently undeveloped area, and in order to do so, like let's say you're a developer, you want to build 10 homes there, but a road will have to be built into the complex and through the complex to facilitate the building of these 10 homes. The cost of that road and the maintenance of that road for a to be determined time will be added to the developers and then eventually passed on to the consumers. So it doesn't tell you you cannot engage in a sprawl type behavior. It's just going to cost you more to do so. If you want to have your house in the middle of nowhere, that's fine, but then you have to pay the cost that is associated with that behavior. So that's my project in a nutshell, and I look forward to your feedback. Thank you very much.